I am going to reveal 3 AI tools complete tutorial for creating Faceless YouTube automation channel. You can get started for free for all of these tools. Sounds exciting? Let's start.
Invideo AI review. Hey guys, this is Shan from InfoAcademy.com and welcome to my Invideo AI review. So in a nutshell, Invideo AI uses AI to turn any bit of text into videos. All that you need is to type in, like make a video on how to live inside a black hole without dying. Hit on the generate and it will generate the videos for you. The script, the videos, the voiceover, everything. The best part, you can change anything, like in a US Southern accent, and it goes ahead and changes the voiceover as well. It can change the voiceover. It can even use your own voice as well. I'll show that as well, so don't worry. Then you can also go ahead and change the look and feel of the video. That is, give it a brand new theme or give new visuals to it, all of that by just typing. You can even go ahead and transform this video from an informational video into an ad. Just type in like turn it into an ad and it does all of that for you. It does a cinematic kind of shoot and it produces all of that effect that you need to create an ad. Now that doesn't stop here. The capabilities are infinite and I'll be taking you through all of the features of Invideo AI. Now if that sounds interesting, then please stick on with me till the end of this Invideo AI review, because I have got you covered with all. Now on top of that, I do have got you covered with a ton of custom bonuses as well if you do decide to get started with Invideo AI. With that being said, let's jump inside of Invideo AI and let me show you how to work with it. So let's jump inside. So this is what the dashboard of Invideo AI looks like, and in here you can enter a prompt. Now, as with any other AI tool, the better detailed your prompts are, the better results you are going to get, right? With that being said, if you are new to prompts, if you don't know how to write prompts and all, there are workflows as well, like YouTube Explainer, script to video, YouTube Shorts, and there are many others as well that you can do, like Instagram Reel, TikTok videos, all of that. Say, for example, you want to do a YouTube Short, you can just come over here and click on YouTube Short, and then you can type in what the YouTube Short is about, right? And in the settings, you can say use any kind of voiceover, like you can have it random or a male voiceover or a female voiceover as well. Then you can select a voice accent, like an American accent, Californian accent, New Yorker, whatever you want to be, right? And then you can add subtitles or don't add subtitles. You can change over those things, right? And then lastly, you can use what kind of footages it's going to use, like iStock media or whatever you want to, you can specify that as well. Now, this is how you can create a prompt if you have absolutely zero idea of writing prompts, right? But by now, I guess you must have got some ideas of writing a prompt. So let me write it pretty quickly and let me tell you how to write them, right? Okay, like I've given a prompt like create a YouTube Shorts video of duration 30 seconds on 3 easy steps to lose belly fat fast and effectively. The 3 steps should be related to working out at home. Use energetic background music, add a confident voiceover in British accent. So I could have added British male accent as well. That's up to me. However, in this way, you can go ahead and enter a prompt, right? So the way I have actually structured it is like, first of all, I've told it what to create, like a YouTube Shorts. Then I've given it a duration. Now the YouTube Shorts makes it to understand that it should be a vertical video, right? You could have given Instagram Reel as well. You could have given a normal YouTube video as well, which would have given that 16:9 video, right? So in this way you can do it. Then I've given the context, like what the video should be. Now I could have gone ahead and given more things, like I could have specified the exercises that I want. If I'm knowledgeable in the field, I can do that as well, right? Like I can mention the first exercise should be this, the second should be this, in this way. With that being said, once this is done, I'll just hit on generate video and let AI do all the stuff for me. So it's analyzing the stuff. So it further goes ahead and asks me a few questions, like what audience am I targeting? Like fitness enthusiasts, weight loss seekers, home workout fans. So you can understand the level of analysis that it has done. It has perfectly figured out the 3 kind of audience that I might be targeting, right? So it exactly wants to know whom am I exactly targeting. So let it be fitness enthusiasts or maybe weight loss seekers, because my video is more on weight loss, right? So there might be someone who has the perfect weight, but he or she is not fit. But in my case, I definitely want someone who is looking to lose weight, right? So for me, it would be weight loss seeker. Then the look and feel, it could be bright, inspiring, or professional. Let it be professional. And again, the platform is YouTube Short. Now, if you want to edit the prompts in this step also, you can do that as well. But I'm quite happy with it. So let's click on continue. And as you can see, the video creation is under process. So let's wait and let's see how cool the end video looks like. So boom, there is a video, and it took me almost 45 to 50 seconds to generate this, right? So With that being said, now let us watch out what it all has created. So let's play.
Embark on a journey to a slimmer you. Step 1, engage your core with planks, holding for 30
Okay,
seconds.
so there's the
Step 2,
planks,
amp up
then
the
there
intensity
is the
with
second
bicycle
workout,
20 on each
bicycle
side.
crunches,
Step
and
3,
then there
finish
is
strong
the
with leg
step
raise,
3.
15
So it
repetitions.
has got the
Consistency
3
is key.
exercises,
Remember, it's not about
and
being
it has
perfect.
got the visuals for 3 of them, and as you can see, there is the subtitles on it as well, and there is voiceover on it as well, right? So that sounds quite good. Now, what if you want to change anything? Say, for example, if we go back to the opening, here you can see embark on a journey, and in here I want this opening footage to have someone overweight. So what I can do is that I can edit it in 2 ways. Number one is that in here there is this box, as you can see, this is a prompt box in where I can insert a prompt and make the changes, or I can even click on this edit button over here, and from here I can edit it more precisely as well. So both the options are available, so I'm going to show you one by one. So first of all, let's focus on this prompt box. So what I have given is like replace the starting scene with the visuals of a overweight person, right? So I'm just clicking on generate, and the whole thing will take a few seconds again, and it will actually replace it, right? As you can see, what it has done is that it has actually got a brand new scene that has been added, and this was the scene that was there. So if we play this on the first scene, it actually goes ahead and tells you what are the problems of being overweight, right? The problems that you are facing. So it kind of has all of this. The problem is being exaggerated, and the problem is being shown to you, like why you should go for lesser weight, right? So that's quite cool. With that being said, once after this, once this part is over, they actually go into the first part where they show you how to do the stuff, like step 1, then step 2, and the step 3. So in this way, you can go ahead and edit your videos. That is by entering a prompt over here, or you can also do this. Come over to this point over here and click on edit. Now, once you do that, you can see for every scene, you can see what duration the scene is on and what scene it is showing. So if I want to change this scene over here, I can click on this, and in here I can search for something like overweight person. And you can see there are so many footages that have appeared, right? So I can use this one just for an example. And in here, the replace is coming up. Just click on that and click on apply changes. And as you can see, the change is taking place, and boom, there is the change. So the scene 1 starts with someone weighing herself or himself, right? So that's quite cool. So in this way, you can go ahead and click on edit, and you can make any edits, right? You can change anything over here. You can change any of the clippings, right? You can even go ahead and change the duration. For that, you just need to come over to this 3 dots over any of the scene. Just click on that, and that gives you the facility to actually play around with the duration. If you want to extend the scene or lower the scene duration, you can do whatever with it you want to. So that's quite cool. Now, that being said, it also gives you another major feature, which is to upload your own media, right? So for that, you can just come over to here, upload media. You can click on that, and from here, you can upload your own videos, your own footages, your own images, whatever you wish to. So if that is something which you want to be extremely customized, if you have a particular video on which you want a script or a voiceover, you can upload that as well. So there is no restrictions whatsoever. So that's quite a cool stuff to have, right? Now, the other things that you can do over here is edit the script. Now, remember, I didn't write the script. The script was written by the AI itself. So there is a possibility that you might need to actually alter a bit of the script, right? A part of the script, something that you don't like, something that you need to add, or whatever it is, right? So in here, you can come over here and see, this is scene 1. This is how it starts. This is how things go ahead, right? Now, in here, if you want to change anything, you can just go ahead, delete it. You can write your own text. Just as simple as this. And for this text, if you want to fetch the visuals, you can just click over here and change the keywords for which you want to fetch the visuals. Say, for example, you are inserting something like avoid oily food. So in here, you can have oily foods, right? So just an example to give you an idea how to play around with it. So that being said, that is how you can change the entire script as well. All of that can be done, right? Once you are happy with the changes, you can just click on apply changes, and boom, your changes would be made. Now, I have made the changes based out of nothing. I just wanted to show you how to work with it. So that's why I made the change in the script, but you could make something more meaningful as well. And as you can see, if you play this now, it would have that write your own text or something like that, which I included.
A bag of chips in one hand, a soda in the other. The television is blaring, but you're not really watching. You're too caught up in your own thoughts, your own feelings. You're not happy. You're not content.
So there you go, your own text, but so that has come up over here as well. So this is something that I don't want. Maybe I have accidentally changed. So what you can do is that you can come over to this part over here. There is a little undo. So you can just click on undo and it would actually undo the changes. So now if we play this again and if we actually seek it over here, you can see that it has not changed. So in this way, you can undo and redo as well at one click. If you accidentally make a change, it's perfectly all right to do the undo as well. So with that being said, that was it, how you can actually generate AI videos just from a keyword, from any kind of prompt, any kind of imagination that you have. You can create Instagram reels, you can create YouTube shorts, you can create Facebook stories, you can create whatever you wish to. You can go ahead and create conventional YouTube videos as well. There is no stopping you whatsoever. This is a hugely powerful tool and you can go ahead to create anything and everything from here. Now once you are happy with all of this, you can change the quality of the export as well. In here you can see the quality is available over here. And once happy with it, you can just click on this export, and in here you can actually export it without watermarks. You can export it as without their branding as well, and you can export it up to 4K as well. But the 4K plan is limited, it's on a higher plan, right? And if you are using the free version of it, then unfortunately there would be watermark and there would be a powered by Invideo AI branding as well. But if you are on any of the paid plans, you can just go ahead and discard all of this and you can hit on continue, and boom, it would actually export the video for you. And as you can see, the rendering is going on, right? So quite cool. Now, in the meantime, I just want to show you another feature that it has on the paid plan, which is called the voices. Now in here, if you go over the voices, you can actually go ahead and add your own voice. You can just click on add voice and you can train it with your own voice. That is, it asks you to submit a recording of 30 seconds or more, right? So that it can pick up the way you talk, your emotions, how you actually give emphasis on something. So make sure that you actually get all the emotions on that recording, and then it analyzes that voice clipping and it actually applies that to next videos. That means you never need to do voiceover again. You just need to shoot one voiceover and the AI will do everything. That is, it will actually give your voice to the script. This is on a paid plan. You can't explore this on a free plan, but you can get started with a free plan. No issues whatsoever. If you wish to do that, you can find the link below in the description, which when clicked would take you to my bonus page in Invideo AI, which should look like this. And in here, if you go through this at your own time, you can find any and every features that it has, and then you can find all of my bonuses. Now I've given you some amazing bonuses. All of these are different video marketing software, graphical software, traffic giving software, free targeted organic traffic software. There are some buying traffic software as well. I've given you funnel building software, membership site building software, hundreds of softwares with reseller license. There are a ton of bonuses on my bonus page, so I do urge you to please go down in the description of this video, click the link to my bonus page and check for yourself how premium my bonuses are. With that being said, to be eligible for the bonuses, all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video, click the link to my bonus page. From there, scroll down to find any of these red buttons, clicking on which you would go over to the Invideo AI sales page that looks like this, right? And in here, if you go through this, you can find any and every details of Invideo AI. This is the sales page that they have, and in here you can go through all of this. And then once you come down over here, you have an option to join for free, but it would be limited in some features, right? I would suggest you to go for this plus plan. In here, what you get is 50 minutes of AI generation per month, which is awesome, because if you are going to generate Instagram reels or if you are going to generate Facebook YouTube shorts with it, then 50-minute means more than 50 contents per month, and this can really help you to grow in a faceless mode as well, right? You get unlimited exports as well, plus you get 2 voice clones. That is not only of yours, but also you can go ahead and voice clone any other voice as well. So that's quite cool. Then there is another plan which is at 48 per month, but this actually allows you 200 minutes of AI generation per month. But this is for the growing content creators who are actually making some money out of it. So if you wish to actually get started with it, I would suggest you to go for this $20 a month, because this is quite inexpensive and at the same time quite effective. Now if you go for any of these paid plans, you are eligible to get my bonuses. But in case if you decide to start out for free, you are more than welcome to do that, but in that case you won't get the bonuses right now. But once if you upgrade anytime during your lifetime to any of these paid plans, you just need to send us a WhatsApp message Down below, you can find my WhatsApp number. Just send me a message over there, send the purchase receipt, and we'll be more than happy to deliver all of the bonuses to you. With that being said, it brings me to an end of this Invideo AI review, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, then please consider subscribing it as well, because in this channel, you get regular updates on different AI tools that can change your life. With that being said, it's your good friend Shine bidding goodbye from you. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Shine from NK Academy. Take care. Bye-bye.
HeyGen AI. Hey guys, this is Shan and welcome to my complete HeyGen AI tutorial where I'm going to reveal how you can use the HeyGen AI video generator to create your own AI clone or your digital clone that can speak like you in any language you want to, use your own voice, that is your clone voice, and the best part, it can have your gestures as well. If you want to check out, just check out the quality here. Hey guys, welcome to the AI era. Would you believe if I told you that I am a digital clone of Sayan? Sounds amazing? I know you are stunned. Stay tuned till the end to know how you can also clone yourself. Now, I hope you are mesmerized by the quality, and believe me, this is the best tool that you need to clone yourself. The best part, it gives you unlimited video production capability as well. So I'll discuss about everything on HeyGen AI because this is going to be a complete HeyGen AI tutorial, and I'm going to cover it step by step with a lot of secrets that are to be revealed. So stay tuned till the end of this HeyGen AI complete tutorial. Also, I will disclose an offer by which you can get HeyGen AI at an unbelievable price with some awesome bonuses. With that being said, if you want to know more about HeyGen AI, then don't skip any part of it. Stay tuned till the end of this HeyGen AI tutorial. Let's jump over to my laptop and let me show you step by step on how to do the stuff with HeyGen AI. Hey, welcome to this HeyGen AI complete tutorial. And as you can see over here, this is the dashboard of HeyGen AI, right? And on this left-hand side, you can find everything that you want to control. On this side over here, you can find all your recent creation, and in here, you can find all the learning guides that are available with HeyGen AI. Then if you scroll further down, you can find all the different templates that are available. You can find all the avatars that are available, which are already done for you. Now, I'm going to show you everything on how to create your custom avatar and all of that stuff. So stay tuned again till the end of this HeyGen AI tutorial. So this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, as I told you very first. So the first thing that I wish you to know is how you can actually play around with HeyGen AI templates, right? So for that, we can just come over to this templates, click on that. Now in here, as you can see, this is the HeyGen AI library, which contains all different kind of template. Depending on your requirement, you can choose from any of these. There's advertisement, as you can see, then there's e-commerce, then there's learning and development, then there are explainer videos, then there are social media, business card, health and medical, festival, breaking news, all of these different kinds. Say, for example, you want to do a newscaster video, you can just select this one and go ahead, right? So it's very easy to do. You can even create your own custom template as well. Just click on create template, and in here you can choose from any of these and you can create a template for yourself. Now I'm not going to waste your or my time in doing this. I'm going to show you how you can do everything from scratch as well, because once you know that, you'd be easily editing the templates as well. So it's very easy to do. With that being said, I just wanted to let you know that this is a possibility. Then coming over to our AI voice, you can come over here and click on AI voice. And in here, as you can see, there's my voices. So this is my clone voice. If I just play this, hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it. So you can see that, right? It's one of my clone voices over here. Now, there are plenty of voices available over here as well. And the best part in here, these voices that have this diamond over them, as you can see, there are plenty of them as well. You can see over here. So all of these come straight in from 11 Labs premium voices, right? So you don't need to pay anything else. You can get access to them right from within it. So this is a great thing to have. You can go ahead and choose any language you wish to. There are plenty of languages, as you can see, that are available. All popular languages you can find over here. You can choose the gender, and then you can also choose different emotions, right? You can choose their use cases as well. You can choose the age as well. All of that is completely customizable. So that gives you a great flexibility in terms of voice control. Now coming over to the most exciting part of it, that is called the avatars. In here, you can come over this and click on avatars, and this actually gives you 3 options for avatars. As you can see, one is called the instant avatar. As you can see, I've already created mine. And then you can go ahead and create photo avatars as well. That means you can upload a photo and it can create a talking photo kind of video using your photos. Then there is a studio avatar as well, and the studio avatar can be more effective, and it has more control, and it has more
reality touch imbibed within it, right? But this takes a little time. The instant avatar you can do in a few minutes, but for the studio avatar you need to wait for 3 to 4 days, right? So that's the one thing that I wanted to mention. With that being said, all of these avatars works brilliantly. You can just come over here and you can just create your avatar. Just click on create instant avatar.
Hey guys,
and then you
I'm
just need
Joshua,
to follow this
co-founder and CEO
instruction, as you can see over here. And then once done, you can click on get started.
So we only need 2 minutes off.
I'm so excited that you're going to create your
as well. All of that is doable. It depends on what exact needs you have. Now, depending, say for example, I want to create a motion avatar. So
First
I can
motion
select
app.
this one. And in here, I need to upload my footage and I can actually read out all the instructions that are recommended. And once done, I just need to upload a 2 to 3 minutes footage over here where I would be moving and shooting that on a camera with expressions that I want to be replicated, right? So that's as simple as it can be. And once you are done with it, you can actually submit this and your avatar will be ready. Just the way that I have done this avatar, this one, right? So this is one of the videos that I had created for HeyGen. I had submitted it and boom, it has created my avatar. So that being said, now I've actually shown you how you can create an avatar, how you can have your voice, and how you can actually have your templates. Now it's time to put everything together and build your videos. So for that, we'll come over to this create video, click on that. And in here, it gives you plenty of options. Number one, you can create it from scratch. You can use it template, as I've already shown you. There are templates for different use cases. You can select any of them. And then they start with a PPT or a PDF. This is very important if you are going through any webinar kind of thing. If you want your digital clone to actually go ahead and do the webinar for you, you can actually choose this. In this, you can upload a PDF and it can create a video from it. So that's amazing. Then you can also go ahead and generate a script with AI as well. You can just input the topic over here, the language and the tone, and it will create the script for you. Also, you can input a URL of a blog or anything like that, and it can actually create the script for you. So that's amazing stuff to have. Also, if you're looking to create multilingual video, that is, you have a video on English, maybe you want a Spanish version of it, you can come over to this translator video and you can actually translate it from an original language to any language that you want to. Now, I'll come to this a little later. First, as I promised, I'll show you to create from scratch. So let's go ahead and start that. In here, you need to actually choose the resolution, so it can support landscape or portrait. Now, whatever your requirements are, you can go for that. And this will bring us to the studio, as you can see over here. On the studio, on the left-hand side, we have got the templates. Now, we can go ahead and choose from this as well if we want to. Then there are avatars, as you can see, there are plenty of avatars available. Then there's the script, wherein I need to write the script, or I can record a script as well, or I can upload a script as well. That's up to me. Then I can insert text and elements and different assets to it as well. So let's start with an avatar and let's bring in my avatar over here. So as you can see, the avatar has been created over here. Now we just need to come over to the script, and in here we can actually modify the script over here. So by default, it's coming like, welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started. So let's go ahead with this script itself, right? So in here we have the option of choosing a language. So in here we have an option to choose in the voice. So let's go ahead and do that. In here, as you can see, this is my voice that has been cloned. Now there are plenty of other voices available as well. I just want to use my voice over here, so I'm happy with this. Then if I want to change the language, I can do that as well. I just need to click over here and I can change the language as I want to, right? Now on the next part, you just need to actually modify the script if you want to, and once you are done, you just need to click on this, play the updated audio, and once this would be played, this would be added onto our timeline as well.
Welcome
as you
to
can
the
see,
new
it
era
has been
of
added to
video
our
creation with
timeline.
HeyGen.
Now let's play the video.
Welcome to the new era of video creation
And boom,
with
as you
HeyGen.
can see, it has been done, right? So that's how easy it is, and that's how we can do it. Now, say for example, this was an introductory scene. Now I want to add another scene. So for that, I'll just come over here and click on add a scene. And on this scene, I can go ahead and add a different avatar to it as well. So let's go ahead to the avatar. And in here, you can see there are some public avatars available as well. But I am going to choose a photo avatar, and let's choose this photo of mine. As you can see, I have chosen this one. Now I need to add script to it. So for that, I'll just come over to this plus sign. And in here, I can go over to add script. And once I've done that, I'll just need to come over to the script over here. And in here, as you can see, there is the second part that has been loaded. So let's type in a small script for this. So I've given like, this is my photo avatar speaking to you. Are you enjoying this, right? So let's play this audio, and once I play this audio, this would be updated over here. So as you can see,
This is my
the
photo avatar speaking
size
to
of
you.
the
Are you
script
enjoying
actually
Luis?
determines the size, that is the length of your video, right? So now it's done. So let's
This
play
is my
this
photo
now.
avatar.
One thing I just wanted to tell you over here is that there is no expression currently, because it would be available once the video is rendered. So I'm just building it right now. Now let's go ahead and add a scene as well. And this time on the scene, we want to add an avatar, which are public avatars. That is a done for you avatar. As you can see over here, there are plenty of public avatars available. So let's choose this one just for an example. And in here, maybe this guy is giving me a testimonial just for an example. So let's go ahead and add a script again. So let's go ahead and this time let me add a recording. So just click on recording, click to start. Udemy is an awesome place to learn, and there are some awesome instructor available over there, and Cheyenne is one of them. So once this is done, I'll click over here and then I'll click on confirm. And as soon as I do so, you can see it has been recorded over here. So, and accordingly, this scene has been adjusted in duration as well. So now I have got a complete video of 3 scenes, and on the 3 of them, I have used 3 different things. First of all, I've used my own digital clone, then I've used a photo avatar, and then I've used a public avatar. So let's go ahead and actually we can go ahead and preview this as well, but let's submit it and let's see what kind of video we get as an output. So it will take a little time. We'll meet once this is done. And boom, as you can see, it has been created. So let's go ahead and actually play this.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started. This is my photo avatar speaking to you. Are you enjoying Tweez?
Udemy is an awesome place to learn, and there's some awesome instructor available over there, and Cheyenne is one of them. So look at that. It's amazing. Especially this avatar, that is this digital clone, is amazing, and this public avatar is amazing as well. The photo avatar, maybe it can be a little better, but these two are amazing. I'm sure that if I place it to my audience, they won't be able to actually differentiate anything. So this is a great thing to have, right? Now I can go ahead and customize this further. I can share this as well. I can translate this video as well, or I can go ahead and download this as well. So just click on download and boom, it would be downloaded. Now, if I wish to, I can even go ahead and add captions on it as well. Let me show you that. You just need to come over here and turn on the captions, and it would actually, you can go ahead and publish the captions as well, and it would actually go ahead and publish the captions for you. That's amazing. Now, that being said, there is also another feature, as I told you earlier, that is we can translate any video from any source language to whatever language we want to. So for that, we just need to come over this translate, click on that, and in here you can choose any language that you wish to. Say, for example, I want to translate into Hindi. I can just go ahead and select that, and once done, I can just choose what kind of thing I want to translate. That is, I want to translate the script, or I want to just translate the text, right? So I want to translate the entire thing. Let's go ahead and click on translate, and boom, it would start the translation process. So in here, as you can see, it has been translated. So if we go ahead and actually take a preview.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply
So you can see that, right? Now we can go ahead and continue to edit, or we can submit it and we can get our Hindi video as well. So that's how easy it is, and that's how quick HeyGen AI can help you with. Now, on top of this, we can go ahead and add our text, right? We have different kind of text. We can just add anything and it would be added. We can play around with the timeline. We can make the text appear wherever we wish to, right? And then we can change everything about it. No worries. Then we can go ahead and add elements as well. But these are very elementary things. If you have ever worked with any video editor, you can do this, right? So in here, you get a lot of assets as well. You can upload your own assets. You can also add a screen recording to it. All of that can be done pretty easily. And it has this brilliant timeline feature as well, with which you can edit perfectly based on any time sequence that you want to. Now, this is in HeyGen AI but that being said, HeyGen AI isn't restricted to this only. That's the best part. If I go back to HeyGen AI, in here, we have got another few things that is beyond this video, but I am definitely going to create a few more videos. If you are interested, let me know in the comments that if you want to learn more about HeyGen AI, just let me know in the comments, and I would make more videos on this interesting thing called labs. In here, if we go inside of this, you can see in here we have got this expressive photo avatar, and this can be amazing. I have told you already that the photo avatar that we had done so far, I didn't find it that expressive. But if you go via this, it would be very, very expressive as well, and it would be very natural. But this can't be directly imported within your HeyGen AI studio, because currently these are in beta form, and once this gets tested by HeyGen AI, this will actually move into the studio. Then there is this interactive avatar, then there is personalized video, then there is this instant highlights, where you can get highlights of your video. That is, you can convert a long form video into a short form using HeyGen AI itself. Then you have this feature of URL to video as well, in which you can do e-commerce kind of videos. Let me show you one of such videos that I've already created. In here, as you can see, this is one of them that I was talking about. So let's go ahead and play this.
Ever wondered how life could be with the Asus VivoBook Go 15? Let me show you. The 15.6-inch FHD anti-glare display provides crystal clear.
Now, I hope you find this very interesting. All that I needed to do is submit it an Amazon link, and it it went ahead and created this video for us. Now, imagine you are able to actually put this on your Instagram, on your Facebook story, on your YouTube shorts, and on the description, you feed your affiliate link. So that can be a great way of making passive money as well. So the opportunities are actually endless with this tool, but due to time shortage, I'm not being able to show you this feature currently in this video, but do let me know in the comments if you want to check that out. I am going to make a video just for you if I get enough responses. Now in here, I have a translated video as well. Let me show you that. So let's go over to this video translation, and as you can see, this one is in Hindi. So let's go ahead and play this.
और स्टूडियो अवतार का उपयोग करके 29 भाषाओं में एआई वीडियो अनुवाद का भी समर्थन करता है। अकेडमी डिजिटल सॉल्यूशंस में आपका स्वागत है। मेरा नाम सियोन है
Look
और
at
मैं
that,
आपका
right? So
मेजबान
that's
हूं।
the
हम
kind of
डिजिटल
amazing stuff that you can do with it. So the opportunities, as I told you, are endless with HeyGen AI. And if you really want to get access to HeyGen AI, then why not via my link? Because I'm giving you some awesome exclusive custom bonuses that you can find nowhere else for HeyGen AI. If you wish to check out my bonuses anytime during this video or after watching this video, all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should again take you to my bonus page. That should look like this. And in here, you can go ahead and find all the features that it has. And then if you scroll further down, you are going to find my bonuses. Now, my bonuses are insane. I've given you different traffic software, graphic software, video marketing software. I've given you softwares that can help you to develop websites, funnels, and e-learning websites as well. I've given you digital marketing software, ad building software. All of that is covered on my bonuses. Now you can go through this at your own time. There are plenty of bonuses available. So I'm not really going through all of that currently in this video, but you can go through this at your own time. And once you like what you are seeing, and if you like to pick up HeyGen AI, all that you need to do is scroll all the way down and find any of these red buttons, clicking on which you would head over to the HeyGen AI sales page, which should look like this. And in here, you can go through this at your own time. I'm not going to waste your or mind time in doing that. You can just go through this at your own time, and once you are happy with it, you can just check out all the testimonials that it has, all the reviews that it has. And in here, you can just click on this get started for free, and this will take you to a sign up page for where you can sign up for absolutely free. Now that being said, it has pricing as well, so let's go ahead and discuss the pricing. Now in here, as you can see, there are some free plans as well in which you can create 3 videos per month with up to 3 minutes video. So that's a good enough plan for a free plan, right? But I am in this creator model, and this is unlimited. So this is the best part, because it wasn't unlimited, but for a short time now, it is currently at unlimited usage, right? So that's why I have also got inside of it, and that's why I urge you to take advantage of this special offer that they are running and get inside this for absolutely unlimited usage. You can create up to 5 minutes video, and all of them would be 1080p. Everything you can create up to 3 avatars, and there are no watermark that is going to be there. So that's quite amazing. Now, if your requirements are even larger, you can go ahead for the Steam one as well, but this is going to be a little costly. So that being said, I would suggest you to get inside this creator at $24 a month. This is an absolute great one to have. It's like having your own virtual assistant, which is your own digital clone that can build your branding as well. And at the same time, you can create unlimited videos by paying only $24 a month. So this is quite an amazing stuff to have. You can also work as a freelancer and give this as a service and make money out of it as well. So with that being said, it brings me to an end of this HeyGen AI tutorial, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, help me with a like and let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this HeyGen AI tutorial. And also let me know in the comments if you want to learn more about HeyGen AI, so that I can create another video where I cover all the other stuff as well. So we'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Cheyenne. Take care. Bye-bye. Flicky AI review. Hey guys, this is Cheyenne from IncaAcademy.com, and welcome to my Flicky AI review. So in a nutshell, Flicky AI is one of the best AI text-to-video creator tool which can convert any bit of text into a video. It can convert a prompt to a video, a script to a video. It can also go ahead and convert an Amazon product link into an product video, which you can use on your e-com store as well. Now, it don't stop over there. You can actually go ahead and create videos from blog posts. You can create videos from PPTs. You can also create videos from Twitter post as well. So all of that is covered by this one tool. Now the best part, it also contains avatar videos as well, with those avatars sounding realistic with ultra realistic voices and it covers over 75 plus languages and over 1000 plus realistic voice. Now, did I even tell you that the avatars have hand gestures and perfect lip sync as well? You can even go into the details like adding different things like overlays of images and videos. You can go ahead and add different background music to it. You can add sound effects to it. You can add subtitles to it, and you can control every bit of it. The best part over here is that if you ever run out of stock images, or if you have something that is particularly custom to you, you can generate AI images for that as well. So that's a great plus point to have. Apart from that, you can upload your own footages and own photos as well into Flicky. It can go ahead and create videos in different aspect ratio, like horizontal, like the vertical videos, and even the square ones, so that you can dominate any platform that you wish to, be it shorts, be it reels, be it Instagram, be it YouTube, wherever you wish to, you can actually produce videos for them. Also, it has got you covered with the voice cloning feature, so that you can stand out with your own original voice or the voice of any voice actor whom you have permission of. So with that being said, I'm only scratching the surface. I'm going to show it to you all in this Flicky review. But before going any further, I just wanted to let you know that I have got you covered with the best in class bonuses for Flicky review. And also I've got you covered with a discount coupon as well, with the best possible discount. With that being said, again, Flicky AI gives you a complete free account as well. If you wish to join for absolutely free of cost, you can do that as well. So without further ado, let's jump onto my laptop and let me show you how to do the things with Flicky AI. Hey guys, welcome to this Flicky AI demo within the Flicky AI review. Now, as you can see, I am right inside of my dashboard, and as you can see, I am within the premium plan of Flicky AI. That being said, I'll be covering you up with the pricing, so just wait a little bit. In here, I'm going to show you how you can create videos that actually grabs a lot of eyeballs. Now, if I go over to YouTube, as you can see over here, and if I search for things like top 5 places to visit in the US, then you can see over here, people are getting a ton of views. As you can see, 97K views. That's awesome, right? Then you can see 104K views. Now, if I go even to the shorts, you can see over here 66K views, 71K views. This is amazing. And as you can see, all of these videos are faceless with voiceover. So we are actually going to use Flicky to create exactly this kind of video. Now, the first thing that you want to do to create a video on Flicky is come over to this files, click on that, and in here you got to click on new file, and then you got to give it a name like travel shorts, just for an example. Then you can go ahead and choose the language. As I said, it has over 75 plus language, so you can feel free to choose any of them. And then the dialect, and then the aspect ratio. Again, since we are going for shorts, we'll select the portrait. Then on the start with, we will select this as idea. Now, if this was a Amazon product review, we could have chosen the product one as well. Now, I'll come to that a little later. So for this, let's go for prompt and click on submit. Now, as you can see, it brings us to this little dashboard over here, and in here we need to type in the prompt. So let me quickly do that. So as you can see, 5 places to visit in the US in 2024, drone view footage, ultra realistic voiceover for each place, add key attraction for visit, right? So that's what I have told it. And since it's a short, I'll keep the maximum duration as 1 minute. That's fine. And then on the stock media, I would prefer to use videos, right? We could have also gone ahead and chosen AI media as well, but I think US footages are available, so we are going to use stock footages. Then you can even go ahead and choose the templates, but I am not going to do that. If you click on here, select templates, you can find the template section over here, and you can go ahead and choose any one of them. Now, I'm leaving the template blank because if you select the template, you don't get an option. I'm going to show you that as well. Don't worry. Then in here, you can select an avatar. You can see over here, there are plenty of avatars available based on gender. So if you want male avatar, you can do that. You can even have your own avatars. As you can see over here, I have uploaded a few of my avatars over here. And then you can ask the AI to generate an avatar for yourself as well. So all of that is possible. So as of now, I'm not taking any avatar, but I'll show you how you can add them on specific slides. So stay tuned till the end of this Flicky AI review. So on the more, we are going to select sound effects, we are going to select headings, and we are going to select B-rolls as well. But remember, if you select templates, these won't be available. So that's why I didn't select any template over here. Now, once this is done, I'll click on submit. And as you can see, it's creating the script for us. So let's wait. So as you can see, it has been created, and in here there is the background audio. Now, if you wish to listen to this, you can do that as well. You can just click on here and you can find a lot of musics that are available. You can also go over to my library and upload your files. You can even generate AI music as well. So all of that is possible, right? So with that being said, let it be what it is. You can even control the volumes of it, the speed, all of that, right? And in here, you can also have the subtitles. Now in here, as you can see, it has totally divided the script into a few scenes over here. This is scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and so on, as you can see over here. So the first scene that they have is the introduction. And then on the scene number 3, they have picked the first city to visit as New York City, right? And in this way, the script has gone on. So what I'll do is that on the introductory slide, that is the scene 1, I'm going to introduce an avatar. So for that, I'm going to select the scene 1. And as soon as I do so, on the right hand side, I will get a few things. Now from here, I can add or customize text. Then in here, I can add images to it as well. As you can see over here, all the media is customizable. You can go ahead and add your own media to it as well. All of that is perfectly doable. Then in here, you have the avatar. So just click on that. And as you can see, an avatar has been added over here. Now you can go ahead and actually change this avatar as well. You can go ahead and find the stock avatars over here and say, for example, you want a male avatar. You can select any of the male avatars over here, depending on what kind of people you want to connect with, right? So let's take this one for an example, and it has been done over here, as you can see. And then this media, as I told you, you can go ahead and add stock footages. You can go ahead and upload your own footages, whatever you wish to. So you are absolutely free to do that. Now, I'm not going to add any excess image because there is already stock media that has been added according to the script on this video. So let's go ahead and actually take a preview and see what it looks like.
2024. In the next few seconds, you'll discover breathtaking locations you can't miss. First up, New York City. Key attraction, the iconic Times Square, dazzling with lights.
You can see it's quite amazing because it has all the things like the key attraction. It has got all of the voiceover done for you, and all the footages are quite relevant as well. So that's a great part to have. Now, say for example, if you are not happy with any of the footages, say like this one, since we are talking about the United States, it has got you covered with a flag of United States. But if you wish to, you can go ahead and choose any from these suggestions, or you can even go ahead and add your own things to it as well. That's perfectly doable, right? Now, you can also go ahead and add images, GIFs, sticker, icon, all of that you can, right? But most of the parts you are going to be covered with the stock footages that they actually handpicked. But if you need to make a change, you can by doing this. Now, that being said, you can go over here, and on here you can find a thing called audio. Now, this audio is the background music of each of the scene. If you wish to change this, you can just click over here, and then you can actually change this as well. The one thing that I noticed about the audio is it is a little loud, so I can go ahead and adjust the volume actually. So I can make it like this. So that's very much doable. Another thing that I wish you know is the voiceover, and in here we can just click on this, and this would give us the choice of the voices. Now you can see over here I have got my own voice cloned as well, so I can use my clone voice, or I can use all of these ultra realistic voices that are available. Now the ones with the energy symbol over here has multiple voice styles, so you can use them to create different voice styles as well. Now, all of these are perfectly doable. If you want to apply it to all the scenes, you can just check mark on this and it would be applied to all scenes. Now, in this way, you can actually go ahead and edit all of these scenes, as we can see over here. So we can go ahead and change the voiceovers, the images, the stock footages that it is using. We can upload our own stuff. All of that is doable. Now, once this is done, one thing that I haven't shown you so far is that the avatar, like over here, if you see, if we play this from the start, just notice that the avatar won't have any kind of lip movement or hand gesture right now. So let's play this.
What if I told you about 5 must-visit places in the USA for 2024? In the next few seconds, you'll discover...
So you saw that, right? The avatar didn't have any kind of thing. So what we can do is that we can come over to this avatar, click on this avatar, and in here we can change everything. Like we can increase the height if we want to. You can see now the avatar appears a lot higher. Now we can change its position as well. We can rotate it as well. We can have it as a close-up like this, or we can have it normally up to the chest, whatever you wish to. And then once you are happy with all of that, you can just come over to here and click on this generate. What this will do is that this will generate that lip sync and the hand gesture to make it appear more realistic. So let's wait until it's generated. So as you can see, the avatar has been generated as of now, right? So now if we go back and play this, you would see there is a lip sync and also there is a gesture as well. So let's play.
What if I told you about 5 must-visit places in the USA for 2024?
So you can see that, right? So it's important that you actually generate this avatar, otherwise the lip sync won't happen, right? Now, in this way, you can go ahead and actually make the changes in all of the scenes. And once you are ready with that, you can just go ahead and click on download. Just click on that and you can see over here, it can be done as the export. So you can just click on start export and boom, the export would be started and you would get the finished file within a few seconds, right? So I'm not going to waste your time or my time in doing that. It would be available in a few moments. So let's just go back to the Flicky AI. So in here, as you can see, I've got my files. So in here, once this is available, it would be available over here. Now let's find a video that we have already made using this. So let's play this video over here. So you can see over here, let's play this and enjoy it together.
What if I told you about the top 5 must-visit places in the USA for 2024? In the next few seconds, you'll witness stunning drone footage of these incredible destinations. First up, Yellowstone National Park. Marvel at its breathtaking geysers and vibrant hot springs. Next, we have New York City.
So that's it. You can see this. This is amazing quality, right? And all that I needed is a few moments and boom, this kind of video is right at your disposal. So quite amazing stuff to have. Now, with that being said, it also gives you the power of creating product review videos. Now, let me show you this one as well. Say, for example, this one, best performance laptop under 50K. So in here, I have created a laptop review video as in an Amazon product. And if we go inside of this download, this video is already created. So let's go ahead and play this and check out the
Lenovo
quality.
IdeaPad Gaming 3 laptop. Experience immersive gaming with the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 laptop. Powered by AMD Ryzen 5500.
You can see that this is amazing, right? It has got all these brilliant pictures and all these writings, all of this, it has curated itself from the product page of Amazon. So that's the kind of power that it has. Now, if you wish to learn more about how to create this kind of thing, it's very easy to do. Let's go ahead and let me quickly show you how to do this. So for this, we'll go back to Flicky and we'll go over to files. And in here, we'll click on new file. And this time we'll tell it something like product review. And then in here, we will select product, right? Just select this and click on submit. Now, as soon as you do so, it will ask you for the product URL. So let's select this one, the OnePlus 12R phone. Just go ahead and copy this URL, go back to Flicky and paste this as in here. And then you can find the supported websites over here. You can create Amazon videos or Airbnb videos, both of them, right? Now, once this is done, we'll go over to select template. And in here, as you can see, we can go ahead and choose any of these templates that are available. So I'm kind of liking this one. This one is more related to products. So just click on this. And once this is done, I will just click on submit. And boom, as you can see, it has created all these slides for us, all of these images it has scraped from the URL itself, right? Now, if we go ahead and play this.
S12R. Introducing the OnePlus 12R in iron gray with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Experience fast and smooth performance with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile.
Now you can see this, and all of these are editable. If you wish to make these fonts larger, you can do that from here. You can just go ahead over here and you can change the font size. As you can see, you can make them larger, smaller. You can change the font size, the font colors, the font weightage. All of that is possible. If you wish to change the media, you can go ahead and do that as well. You can change their positions where you want it. All of that again is quite doable. Now, I'm not going to actually do all of this over here, but I just wanted to let you know one thing. Like, you can have this animation effect done for you. You can have this pan, you can have this zoom, rotate or blur. All of that you can add to your pictures to give it an amazing effect. Now, in this very way, as you can see, all of the scrapings, all of the things are perfectly done by Flicky AI. I don't need to even intervene. The kind of production that it produces on the very first cut is quite commendable, right? So in this way, if you go ahead and put out different Amazon review videos of different product and write on the description, if you add your Amazon affiliate link, then there is a huge chance that you are going to make out real money from Amazon affiliate marketing with the help of this little tool. So with that being said, again, I'm not going deep into this. This is as easy as it can get. It's all the same way you need to edit it. And I've already shown you the finished video, how cool that video can be, right? So with that being said, now to join Flicky AI, you can find the link below in the description. You can click on that. And from there, you can join Flicky AI for absolutely free of cost as well. But as we all know, like, a real business needs a little investment, right? So Flicky AI has got you covered with the paid plans as well. So if you wish to check out more about Flicky AI review, all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should actually take you to my bonus page, which should look like this. And in here, you can have all the details about Flicky AI. Now, if you scroll down over here, you are going to find my bonus section, as you can see over here. And these bonuses are awesome. I've got you covered with motivational reel bundles. I've given you Academy Builder Pro. I've given you Design Local bundle. I've given you software bundle. All of these are different graphic software, video marketing software. They are funnel builder software, membership site builder software, local website making software, and whatnot. You can find all the details of all of these softwares over here, and these you can get for absolutely free of cost if you decide to join Flicky AI with any of the paid plans. With that being said, if you want to know the pricing of Flicky AI, you can just come over here and you can find a Flicky AI special deal, as you can see. And in here, you can find the free plan, which offers you 5 minutes of content per month with limited features. You don't have the voice cloning feature, and you also don't have this product review video feature, right? So these are excluded in this free plan, but you can try this out. This plan is intended for you to test out the Flicky AI platform. And if you are serious about Flicky AI, then you can either join the standard or the premium. Now, as you can see over here, if I go over to my account, I am myself within the premium account over here. So what this allows is that you can actually create on the standard, you can create 2160 minute of videos per year, and on the premium plan you can create 7200 minutes per year. That is 600 minutes per month, which is a good deal to have. With that being said, if you wish to join any of these paid plans, you can just consider checking the link below, and then in there you can find a coupon code. You can apply that coupon to get it at the lowest possible price. With that being said, if you do happen to pick up any of the paid plan, you are also going to get all of my bonuses. All that you need to do to ensure you get my bonuses is just go down on the description link of this video, click the link to my bonus page, which would take you to my bonus page. That would look something like this. And in here, you just need to scroll down and find any of these red buttons, as you can see over here, which reads get my bonuses for Flicky AI. So if you click on that, this will take you to the Flicky AI sales page. That should look like this. And in here, you can either start for free or you can pick up any of the paid plans. If you pick up any of the paid plans, you just need to send us the receipt on this email ID, as you can see over here, or you can just contact us on this WhatsApp number that you can see on screen below, and we would deliver all the bonuses to you if you pick up any of the paid plan. With that being said, it brings me to an end of this Flicky AI review, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this Flicky AI review. If you have, help me with a like and let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this Flicky AI review. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Shine from NK Academy. Take care.